Hey everybody, it's Jason. Welcome back to Frank's Homestead. And I am just giving you kind of a look at one of the projects that I'm going to be doing on the homestead this year. And I'm getting started now. You can see in the background, we still got snow. It's mid-March or so. But what I'm going to end up doing is up here on the bank, right up here, we never quite finished that as far as what we wanted to get done. Our space isn't very big here, and originally it was always planned to go back much farther. So we're going to be cutting it out. Got my saw, everything ready to go. Drop some more trees. And as I cut up these trees up here, all the branches and stuff, I'm just going to build a fire down here and help keep me warm through the day. It's about 35 degrees. So you can see I just kind of rough stuck a stake after doing some measurements. You know, here's the carport here. We're just going to open this up because we had a whole bunch of mud sliding down. I knew it wasn't going to be back far enough, but I just ran out of time when I built the carport to finish what I was doing. Lost a couple trees up in here. This one just flat out broke at the base. You can see it's leaning. Got this cedar right here as well. Got a couple other dead trees in here. Got this big stump that we took down a few years back. Have to dig it out. And here's another stake over here. And you can see I already started taking down some trees. Basically where this old dead tree is here is where we're going back to, right in that area. So I got a couple bigger ones to take out and make good wood for the sawmill, I should say. But I got to take care of this stuff first and just kind of work my way, take all the branches off, burn it up, and that way I can roll it over the bank and get it with my tractor. So once this is all cleared, my little logging operation is done. We're not sure yet if we're gonna bring in a bigger excavator just to get it dug up real quick, and then I'll move it with the tractor, or if I'll just chip away at it with the tractor. Haven't made that decision yet. With the price of everything going up in 2022, it might take me longer with my little tractor, but I know I can get her done. Once I get this all dug out with the tractor or whatever we bring in, a piece of equipment or what have you, I'm going to take off the topsoil and save it, because that's something that's hard to come by out here in the middle of nowhere. And if you do find it, it's really expensive and usually not real great anyway. I just let it, put it in a pile, leave all the sticks and everything else in it to break down, decompose, and put grass clippings or whatever in it, and just let it keep doing its thing. And that's how I reclaim that topsoil. But the rest of it's all rock and junk underneath. And that is going to go over here. So this area where I piled all my snow, because that's where it goes, I'm going to be taking down quite a few of these trees right in this area here and make a bigger area. And we're going to redo the yard and whatnot. So, but first I've got, 3.5 feet of snow yet that's piled up. That's got to disappear. But on its own, it already has gone down about 3 feet. So anyway, that is the project I'm going to start working on right now, so that way when the snow is gone, I can start moving the rock with my tractor.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Well, everybody, as you can see, start of the first part here, getting it all cleared out, cleaned up, so that way I got some room to work. Like I said, I got some of these bigger trees back here, like this one here, that I got to take down, but I need room to work. And so that's what I'm going to keep doing until I get up all the way over there. And I'll show you the end result when it's all cleared out. All these trees are dealt with. But thanks for watching.